So guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano ko po ginagawa ang healthy kong coffee. Okay, kung ang una pong ingredients ay ang cinnamon. Okay, cinnamon, and then almonds. Yeah, almonds. At saka cinnamon. And of course, Nescafe coffee. Nescafe. Okay, next. Panglima po siya na ingredients ay ang fresh milk. Wala na akong fresh milk. Boost na. Ayan, kung wala po kayong fresh milk, pwede niyo po siyang palitan na, pwede po kayong gumamit ng Coffee Mate. At saka, and of course, because tayo mga Pinoy, we like sweets. So, sugar. Ang gamit ko pang sugar ay yung ganito po siya. Ayan. Okay. Ang last po na kailangan natin sa paggawa ng healthy coffee ay ang heavy. Ano kaya to heavy? Ooh. It's like this. Ginagano siya.
Boil a little bit of water, and this is what Mr. Gogol say.
Almonds help your ticker stay healthy. They lower LDL bad cholesterol and are packed with vitamin A, magnesium and potassium, which helps oxygen and nutrients flow more freely through the blood. Almonds are a bone-building food. That 1 ounce serving has as much calcium as 1/4 cup of milk. Cinnamon tea is a powerful beverage. It's filled with antioxidants and offers several health benefits, including reduced inflammation and blood sugar levels, improved heart health, and perhaps even weight loss. Cinnamon tea may also fight off infections and reduce PMS and menstrual cramps.
Bigyan sugar. Sarap. Nasasarapan po ako sa prata na iniinom ko sa coffee. According po kay Mr. Gogol, na research ko po doon na ang cinnamon ay pareho po ng coffee na mayaman ng antioxidant. At saka ang cinnamon, maganda pong panglaban ng virus at saka of bad bacteria. If you like my video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye. See you later. 你有吗？